Greetings from Camclo3D. Today I am going to show you how to sign up for an account on Camclo3D and get a free plan. Hop on to your web browser and type camclo3d.com. Next, click on Sign In button on the top right corner. Create an account either with Google Sign In or Sign Up button. Verify your account by entering the one-time password sent to your email ID. To apply for the free plan, go to our services page. Go to Free Demo and click on Buy Now. You have now gained access to 500 plus templates across different garment categories. Please keep in mind that you can only drape 10 fabrics in the free plan. The generated images will have a watermark present. To increase your limit and remove the watermark, please apply for our paid services. Feel free to contact us for your special requirements.